The best way to organize plumbing tools is to group them by task and store them in a labeled, portable tool bag or rolling case, keeping your most used tools like wrenches, pliers, and tape within easy reach and separated from bulky items like pipes and fittings. Think of your plumbing tools like a toolbox for a doctor. A doctor does not just throw every tool into one big bag. They keep certain tools together based on what job they are doing. You should do the same thing. Put your wrenches, both the adjustable ones and the pipe wrenches, in one section. Keep your tape, sealant, and small parts like washers and gaskets in a separate small container so they do not get lost. A trick that not many people know about is using an old fishing tackle box for small parts. It has tiny compartments that keep screws, washers, and O-rings from rolling around and getting mixed up. Also, keep a small flashlight or headlamp in your bag since plumbing jobs often happen under sinks or in dark crawl spaces where you need both hands free. One common mistake is storing metal tools in a damp basement or garage without any protection, which causes rust over time. A simple fix is to keep a small silica packet or rust inhibitor spray in your tool bag. Another mistake is not separating your cutting tools like pipe cutters and hacksaws from your other tools, which can dull the blades or even cause injury when reaching into the bag. Keep those in their own padded pouch. A less-known issue is forgetting to check expiration dates on plumber's tape and sealants, since old sealant can dry out and fail to create a proper seal, so always check before starting a job. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.